Hi, Kari here from the GoodX team, and today I'll be walking you through on how to significantly reduce the chance of no-shows in your practice. To do this, there are a few additional steps to follow before we're able to send out the bulk SMSs. However, this is something you'll only have to set up once and then you'll be good to go. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you have the booking reminder SMS template set up. In order to do this, you can navigate to the settings screen, Entity Settings tab, and then the Workflow Event Templates panel. From here you can customize an SMS template to your liking. Just select the SMS option from the drop-down and hit the Add Template button to open the screen where the customization of the template will happen. Let's give it a name quick. For ease of use, a patient number placeholder will automatically be filled in by the contact number field. This will ensure that the number linked with the patient's information will be the one to actually receive the booking reminder SMS. Okay, let's quickly give the message a bit of content. Placeholders are a fantastic way to personalize your templates just a little bit more. If you would like to know a bit more on how to set up the SMS templates, as well as find out a bit more on the placeholders, you can simply follow the Workflow Event Template Send SMS user manual link in the description below. Once you're happy with your SMS setup, be sure to save your work. Now let's quickly hop on over to the diary settings, booking event template setup, and this is just to complete the final setup. From here we're going to select the template that we just set up, that being the booking reminder SMS. Now we're going to pick the message trigger. We definitely don't want it once per debtor, or once per patient, since they could receive the reminder once and forget about it days later. What we want to do is go ahead and select every booking. This way, closer to the time of their booking, your patients will conveniently receive a gentle reminder. This is especially great for those who have repeat bookings, since you don't have to go out of your way with setting up yet another SMS. You can also schedule when this message is going to be sent. Since we're here to make running your practice as easy as possible, you can even schedule your message down to the minute. Click on these arrows here. We're going to say 2 days before, at 3 p.m. Now you're officially set up. From here on out, we've got your back and you never have to worry about reminding your patients about bookings again. The time frame between the message being sent and the actual booking date is enough time where the patient can reschedule to a more convenient time if necessary, or they're able to plan their schedules accordingly, thus reducing no-shows. It's as simple as that. Thank you so much for joining me today on this video tutorial. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time for another good experience.